Where is search in Outlook? This is the most important segment in Microsoft Outlook. You have tons of emails available in your inbox or any other folder. But if you want to find it, that's a very painful situation for the user. But if you want to search an email in Outlook, you have to first find where is search in Outlook. So if you can see on the top of your Outlook screen, above the ribbon, there is an option search. This is a very simple search bar. You only have to enter the keyword of your specific email you are searching for. You can find out the email received from the specific email address. You can find out your email received with the keyword available on the subject. You can also sort out your emails having attachments, or there are tons of other different segments. And if you look closely, there is a drop down arrow here in the search bar. This option is the advanced search option. It will give you multiple segments here. You can enter the inputs here and simply hit search button. That will give you the related results on your screen. Apart from that, there is also an option which is search tool. This search tab is only available when you click on the search bar. When this search tab appears, there is an option search tool. Click on it and here is an advanced find option. You can also use keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl Shift F. When you click here, it will also allow you to find and give some additional information here. You can insert the details in this form, in the message, more choices and advanced. I have already created a detailed video on this. The link is available on the description section. You can check out from there. These are three different areas where you can very easily search your email. If you have learned something new from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.